Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall discuss the limits of the form infinity minus infinity. So how to solve the problems if it is of the form infinity minus infinity. So in order to evaluate the form infinity minus infinity, we have some of the steps. That is the steps in order to evaluate the limits of the form infinity minus infinity. So to evaluate limits of the form infinity hyphen infinity. So we have some of the steps. So the first step is that we need to take the LCM. So first step is we need to take the LCM. Then once we take the LCM, the next step is we need to rewrite the given expression in order to obtain either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So rewriting the equation. So once we take the LCM, so next step is we are going to rearrange or rewrite the equation to obtain either 0 by 0, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So once we have rewritten the equation, so the next step is we need to directly apply the L'Hospital's rule. So the next step is apply L'Hospital's rule. So that is L'Hospital's rule. So these are the steps in order to evaluate the limits of the form infinity minus infinity. So the first step is we need to take the LCM. Then second thing is that we need to rewrite the equation in order to obtain either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. And lastly, we need to apply the L'Hospital's rule and obtain the constant value. So here we can solve the simple example, that is evaluate limit as x tends to pi by 2 sec x minus tan x. So we shall solve the equation. So solution, so first step is we need to write the given. So the given is limit as x tends to pi by 2 sec x minus tan x. So this is the given. So now directly check by substituting the limit as x tends to pi by 2. So we know that sec pi by 2, that is sec 90 is nothing but infinity. Similarly tan 90 is nothing but infinity. Therefore it is infinity minus infinity form. So whenever we come across infinity by infinity form, first step is we need to take the LCM. So now we shall, so since it is infinity minus infinity, so we shall write the sec x in the form of 1 divided by cos x minus tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. So here you can check, since the denominator is same in case of both, so the LCM, so LCM will be cos x itself and this will be 1 minus sin x as it is, since we have the same LCM. So therefore it will be 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. So now again check by substituting the limit as x tends to pi by 2, as we know that sin 0 is 0 whereas sin 90 is nothing but, so that is sin 0. So 1 minus, so sin 90 it is nothing but 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly cos 90 degree is 0. So therefore we have written it in the form of 0 by 0 form. So we have also rearranged the equation. So we shall write it as 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. So this is our f of x. So therefore f of x equal to 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. So here we have taken the, since the LCM is same on both the sides, we have directly written it. And initially itself we have rearranged the equation, that is since it was a sec x and tan x, we have written it as 1 divided by cos x. Similarly tan x is written as sin x by cos x. So the next thing is we have reduced it to 0 by 0 form as well, or infinity by infinity form. So we have reduced it to 0 by 0 form. So our next step is to apply the L'Hospital's rule. So that is using L'Hospital's rule. differentiating numerator and denominator. So differentiating numerator and denominator. So we have that is the f of x is nothing but 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. So differentiation of f of x will be f dash of x equal to, so differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of sin x is nothing but cos x, then whole divided by differentiation of cos x is again minus sin x. So now, so we have obtained the f dash of x, which is minus cos x divided by minus sin x. So here both the minus gets cancelled, so remaining is f dash of x equal to cos x divided by sin x. So now we shall check by substituting the limit as x tends to pi by 2. So now we shall directly apply the limit as x tends to pi by 2. So limit as x tends to pi by 2, cos x divided by sin x. So that is cos pi by 2 divided by sin pi by 2. So as we know that, so cos 90 degree, so cos 90 degree, or it is also known as cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is nothing but, so sin 0 is 0 whereas sin 90 is 1. Similarly cos 0, so cos 0 is 1 whereas cos, so here cos 90 degree is 0. And the next thing is that sin pi by 2, so sin pi by 2 is nothing but 1. So therefore we have 0 divided by 1. So 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So 0 is the required result for the given equation. Thank you friends. For more problems on L Hospital's rule, go through our channel and please subscribe us.